Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Wednesday morning, it's the 30th day of October. If I stand here, I'm dry. If I stand right here, I'm getting wet. It's been raining, and there's lots of rain on the radar. It's been an active night in Alabama, even some tornado warnings down in the Mobile area. And it's going to be a very wet and bumpy end to the month of October. Big changes are on the way. Strong cold front ahead, and it's got some showers and strong storms ahead of it. The Storm Prediction Center has put us in a marginal severe weather risk. I have the latest on timing. Good news for the trick-or-treaters. The faster timing of this front may mean that things are a little bit better during the trick-or-treating hours. I think we're going to fall into the 30s for 3 nights in a row. Let's get into the details now. Glad you're here.
Boy, that is a large and complicated storm system just out to the west of us. We're in the warm air sector, so showers and thunderstorms for us. But look at the snow in the middle of the country from, let's say, about Denver into the Midwest. It's early snow for a lot of places. For us, though, another surge of showers and thunderstorms. It's been a rough morning down in coastal Alabama this morning already, and it will be wet at times. In fact, the better chance for a lot of us for thunderstorms, the stronger storms could come tonight. Showers likely today and some thunderstorms possible, high in the upper 70s, tonight's low 71. The Storm Prediction Center has a marginal severe weather risk covering much of Alabama, and I think the greatest threat for a lot of us will be in the wee hours of the morning, let's say after midnight and till dawn. And here's a snapshot in the middle of the night showing a strong line of storms, maybe some damaging wind gusts. Can't rule out a few brief tornadoes, so that'll be our future tonight. And then tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., the front has made it almost to about Tuscaloosa, moving on southeast with strong thunderstorms out ahead of it. So during the morning and midday hours, we could see some powerful thunderstorms, some of which could be strong, possibly severe. There is another marginal risk of severe weather from the Storm Prediction Center tomorrow for northeast and central Alabama until the front passes your location and the threat of severe weather ends. Then for the trick-or-treaters on Thursday evening, I suppose there could be a shower left. I think it's primarily going to be dry and just windy and chilly for them, and we'll be in the 30s late Thursday night into Friday morning. So a breezy, very cool day Friday. We'll struggle to reach 60 degrees for a high temperature. Back to the 30s again Friday night and to Saturday morning around dawn. I see some freezing temperatures up in North Alabama, and I see 30s all the way down to the Dothan area on Saturday morning. So a cold start to the day Saturday, but a nice fall day with highs only in the 60s. And I think Sunday morning will be chilly. We're back in the 30s again, but a great fall day. The rainfall potential, not so much perhaps in the Wiregrass, according to this model output. 1 to 2 inches perhaps in central Alabama, maybe up to 3 inches or more in some parts of North Alabama. So I've got the rain chances very high through tomorrow, and then a tapering off chance to just a slight chance of a shower on Thursday evening. Tomorrow's high 77, only 60 for a high on Friday. We're in the 30s for probably for 3 mornings in a row. Saturday's high around 63. So on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday morning, low temperatures will be in the 30s, and afternoon highs probably only in the 60s. So that's quite a start to the month of November. We fall back this weekend. This is the weekend we go back to Standard Time, Central Standard Time. We do that late Saturday night at 2 a.m. in the morning. So make sure that you make a note about changing the clocks. Hey, our weather app will keep you on top of the weather action, and there's going to be a lot of it in the next 24 hours. If you don't have it on your phone or tablet yet, go to the App Store, search Rich Thomas Weather. It has instant push notifications for severe weather alerts.
That's all I have for you today, and that's a lot to take in. We'll continue to watch the severe weather threat and the latest on that cold front and the timing of it, which is very critical on a day like Halloween. We'll live on the radio this morning, 6 to 9 News Talk 93.1. Ryan and I will talk weather on Channel 8 and Channel 32 this morning at 5:50 a.m. Another video for you first thing in the morning. Could be rather stormy tomorrow morning when I'm making your video. Have a good day today. You can always hear my forecast across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.